Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai i10. This is the premium, so it does come with a lovely specification. You've got a few extras with this car as well, like 14-inch black alloy wheels, and you've also got rear parking aids. It does come with a CD radio, as well as USB connections for MP3 devices, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone and air conditioning. Let's take a very quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, have a good day.